Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about go down, or you can say warehouse. So in general terms, you know that what is go down. There are certain products which are not used at immediate. They need to be stored at a particular place so that the quality of that cannot be damaged. So where these products are stored, it is known as go down. So there are three types of go down. Three perspectives are there. The first one is ownership perspective, custom duty perspective, and usefulness of perspective. So let's start with the first, the ownership perspective. Private go down and public go down. So in these there are two types of go down. Ownership perspective having two types. The first one is private and next is public. So what is what is private go down? So private go down is who is the owner of an individual and who is storing the goods or commodities for his an individual requirement, okay, for his individual usage. Next is public go down, in which it is not used for the individual business, or you can say it is used for the public purpose. It is the products which are used by the public, that is stored in public go down. Next one is custom duty perspective. There are also two types of go down, that is custom duty paid go down and a bonded go down. The custom duty is payable on the imported products. So the products which are imported from the others country or a state you have to pay duty for that, but that products are not immediately sent to the recipients, so they need to be stored at particular place. Such kind of go downs can be seen at near railway stations, or you can say seaport, okay. In that, so the products which are stored on the for which you have to pay a custom duty, so that is known as custom duty paid go down. And next is bonded go down. There are some products which are exempted from the custom duty. You did not have to pay any kind of custom duty, and to store that kind of products, the go downs are used, which is known as bonded go down. And the last one is usefulness perspective. So there are also two types of go down, general go down and special go down. What is general go down? See, the products which are not get that much damage, which did not get any kind of special care, treatment or storage facility, so those kind of products are stored in a general go down. And special go down, the products which are need to be special take care, they need an extra facility, so that is known as special go down. For an example, crackers, petrol, so such kind of products need to be stored care. Another example for special go down, that is a fruit market, vegetable market, fishing industry, so those kind of products need to be stored in a cold storage, so that's why cold storage is needed, which is expensive. So such kind of go downs are known as special go down. Next we will learn about the transportation facility. So you can see the following ways are there. The human operated. What is human operated? The transportation facility which are operated by the human. You can say जैसे पैडल कार्ट और पैडल रिक्शा, which is operated by a human. So why we need a transportation? So transportation means one need to go through one place to another. Goods are also need to be sent from one place to another. For that, transportation is needed. So we can send it by the following ways. The first one, human operated, that is you can see a pedal auto rickshaw which are operated by a human. Animal operated, that we know, bullock cart, horse cart. Airways, so through airways there we need a runway by which a people and goods are also sent from one place to another at a speedy time. Next is land transportation. So what is land transportation? There are so many facilities are available, like bus, truck, you are having two-wheelers, four-wheelers and many more, by which you can send goods and people from one place to another. Next is water transportation, that is by by water you can send your goods from one place to another, that is by boat, steamer, etc. Next is transit through the pipeline. There are some things which cannot be sent through another ways. For an example, CNG gas, petrol, these must be needed to pass from one place to another through a pipeline, by which it cannot be misplaced or get dispersed at all over.